Hey guys, welcome back to Yalbis Lessons. In today's video, I'll be giving you one of the sweetest gospel bass line. And the good thing is, this is the part 1 of this video. So if you're interested and you want to apply these fills in a simple song, I recommend you watch the video to the end so that you'll be able to understand every part of it, okay? If you're also new to this YouTube channel, you're welcome. But I want you to click the subscribe button, like the video, and also leave a comment as well. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So before the breakdown, let's look at the song. Okay, but remember that in any lesson I do, if I am to play something like this, I'll be leaving the track at the end of the video. Okay, once you've learned or you have finished learning all what you're supposed to learn, then at the end of the video the track will be there for you. There is no bass line in the track. Okay, it is just the instrumentals without no bass. Okay, so you can use the song to practice what you've learned in the video. Okay, I think that is going to help. Okay, so let's look at the song. So let me break it down for you. I'm going to take it step by step, okay, so that in case you meet this kind of progression out there, you can apply what you've learned today. Okay, so worthy, your six progression, your 7, back to your 1, okay, and your 4. Okay, so we are looking at 6 7 1 4. Okay, so at the start of the video, so that I played a simple thing, you understand? In singing song like this, when you have to start, just bring in less fills and less just make the groove simple. Okay, so as you are grooving and grooving, then you can be applying all those kind of things. So on your 6, you understand? This is a simple passing note you can learn. You can learn. So you understand? So from your 6, you understand? So you have your 6 6, then you play your 5 6 6 7. Okay, so this is how you do it to make it sound like mine. So 6 6 5, you block on your 5, you hammer on your 6. Okay, then you slide to your 7. Okay, so from your 6 7 back to your 1 7 7 Okay, so here you need to be very fast. Okay, so your 7 2 3 2 1 1, then you're back to your 1. Okay, so 6 you understand? Okay, so now to your 4. Okay, so a simple passing note 1 5 1 4. Okay, so just learn the first part and make sure you understand the progression. 6 6 7 7 1 1 4 4, then again 6. Just okay, there are many ways you can play this kind of groove. Okay, so let's continue. So now let's look at the main thing. So I played something like this on the 6. Okay, so this alone, you need to play it on your 6 and 7. Okay, so let's look at the 6 first. Okay, it is in 2 ways. Whether you want to play it the short way, that is the staccato, or the long way, the laccato. Okay, it depends on the kind of song you go and find yourself in. If you have to play it this way, okay, but this is a worship song, so you just need to make it simple. Okay, so the notes are your 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. That is on your 6th progression. Okay, so let's see how I played it, how to make it sound like how I did it in the song. So you pluck on your 6, you hum on your 1, then you pluck on your 2, hum on your 3, 5, hum on your 6. Okay, so now let's dive back to the 7. Okay, when you play your 6, then 6, then you play your 6 again. 6, 2, 1, 2, 1, 7. Okay, you understand? Okay, so just take it slow. Okay, you understand, but you're not done yet. So when you play your 7 here, you need to play your 7 on the lower bass. 7, 5, 5, then you descend from your 2 to your 7. Okay, then 2, 2 flat, 1, 7. You understand? Okay, you're on your 7 progression. So your 6, your 7, you understand? So you can meet any song where you have to play a 4 to your 7. So you just do. You understand? Okay, or an example, you can even play a 4 to your 6. You understand? That is why I want you to just catch the progression, learn what you are learning in that progression, understand it, master it, and you can use it anywhere. Okay, so okay, and now back to your 1. So you play 5 for 5, 1. Okay, for 5, 1. This is on your 1 progression. So you have your 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1. Then to your 4. Remember, you are going to the 4. So when you play 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. You understand? And your 4. You understand? Okay, so 6, 7, 1, 4. So this alone contain, when you've done playing your 4, da 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 da, 4, da 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 da. You understand? That is your 4, 7, 3, 6. You understand? 4, 7, 3, 6. That is where you're going to apply that. Okay, so when you play your 4, let me break it down slowly. So you have your 6, 4, 3. Okay, 6, 4, 3. Then this, your little finger is gonna play your 1. Then 7. Okay, your third finger is gonna play your 7. So learn that alone. You're playing a lick over here. Okay. Then when you're done with that, okay, so that is 6, 4, 3, 1, 7, 1, 7. So you have, okay, 1, 7, 1, 7. Okay, so they are the same notes, but you're using your roots in octave. So one note will be higher than the other. Okay, so then you play 4, 3. Then now you're going to your 6. 736. You understand? Okay, so or if you get confused here, just play 336. You understand? Okay, so learn it very well. You understand? Okay, just take time and learn it. Okay, practice it very well. The audio will be at the end of the video, and little by little just learn it. Okay, so I think this is the part one. The part one. I don't want the video to be too long. I'll be bringing the part two maybe this Saturday. Okay, so just take time and practice it very well. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys later. Bye for now.